Classically Dad. Welcome to the channel. The equivocation fallacy comes from the Latin words equis, meaning equal, and vox, meaning voice. A good logical argument uses its terms univocally, or with one voice. When an argument is unclear or confusing because of the use of vague terms or terms that have multiple meanings, the equivocation fallacy is committed. This is also referred to as the bait and switch fallacy, because one definition of the term is used in the initial premise, but then it is switched to a different definition during the argument. When someone is committing the equivocation fallacy, you should ask them to define their terms, to have them clarify their meaning.
You know the guy's names on the baseball team?
Yes.
Well, go ahead. Who's on first?
Yes.
I mean the guy's name.
Who?
The guy playing first.
Who?
The guy playing first base.
Who?
The guy on first base.
Who is on first?
What are you asking me for? I don't know.
Now, wait a minute,
I'm asking you who's on first.
That's his name.
Well, go ahead and tell me.
Who?
The guy on first.
That's it. That's his name.
Well, you ain't said nothing. I ain't asked you nothing.
You did.
You know the guy's name on first base?
Sure.
Well, then tell me the guy's name on first base.
Who?
The guy playing first base.
Who is on first, Lou?
What are you asking me for?
Now, don't get excited. I'm saying who.
I'm asking you a simple question. Who's on first?
Yes.
Well, go ahead and tell me.
That's it.
That's who? I'm asking you, what's the guy's name on first base?
Oh, no. What's on second?
In this famous comedy clip, Abbott and Costello are using different definitions for the same word. If Abbott would pause and explain the definition of the term he is using, then this conversation would be clear, although the skit would be much less funny.
Of the 50 people who President Trump appointed to the Court of Appeals for lifetime appointments, not one is black. This is what they've been doing. You want to talk about packing a court? Let's have that discussion.
The only court packing going on right now is going on with Republicans in the court now. It's not constitutional what they're doing. We should be focused on what's happening right now. And the fact is that the only packing going on is this court is being packed now by the Republicans after the vote has already begun.
The phrase packing the court originates from a 1936 plan of President Roosevelt's to shift the control of the Supreme Court by adding as many as 6 additional new seats to the already full court. When candidates Kamala Harris and Joe Biden are challenged about packing the Supreme Court, both ignore the argument and instead switch the definition of the phrase court packing from its historical meaning and redefine it instead as the legal process of filling empty Supreme Court seats. The equivocation fallacy is when a person uses a term that is vague or has multiple meanings without clarification. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. It's so nice when you share. Thanks for visiting. Classically, Dad.